What's going on, guys? Are you guys ready for another unboxing for this beautiful Type R? So it's right in front of me. As you can tell by the title, you should already know, but I'm just gonna show you guys anyways. Alright guys, so are you guys ready to see the box or what? This right here is actually PRL Flex Fuel that I went with. I actually got this used from one of my buddies that sold his Type R. So guys, I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to put it on mine because when it's gonna make a lot of difference, like I'm telling you guys. But here it is. Let me show you guys. So as you can tell, yeah, this is used, so it's pretty much all over the place. Pretty much, yeah, you get this flex right here, and then you get the other parts to this. Something that I installed on my buddy's SI is their little tube right here. They don't have this little tube that can flex. They have pretty much just like a straight pipe all the way through like this, and it's pretty it's like very stiff. It's like, I think it's made of like, I don't know, some type of material like aluminum or something like that. And mine is just pretty much just like these two clips on the side, and then this hose, which is like, you know, very flimsy, but it holds. But I hope this install will go easy. I've installed this on my buddy's SI, as you guys always see. My buddy is saying, and their parts are pretty much similar. Just this part that's a little different. I'll show you guys when he gets here, if he even drives it today. I'm not sure. But I am also waiting for him because I need a second hand so he can help me out too. He is pretty, you know, he has a better knowledge of touching cars and stuff. So yeah, I'm still a newbie, but I still really enjoy touching cars. I'm pretty sure you guys have some question, right? So am I running E30 or E40? So what I'm gonna run is just right in between. You could run E30 or E40, it doesn't really matter. But to be in the safe zone, I would rather just stay at E30. For you guys that haven't seen my car in a while, it's just been sitting in the garage. You guys wanna know something interesting? I just drove 2 miles last weekend. 2 miles. I only went to the store and then came back and parked it, and then took the other car to go to my friend's house. Yeah, I didn't even drive it. 2 miles on it. I'm really sad, and it's already fall and it really sucks, so I'm just trying to drive as much as I can before I stored it. And bigger plans coming, so just wait till the next season, guys. But anyways, here it is. Here's my baby. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I actually named her, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, her name is Bong Kui Kui. My wife. Oh, look who's calling now. Bro. Oh, you froze. What's going on? Well, when you coming?
Bro, are you start yet?
I'm starting it for you. Just kidding.
Alright, start first. Yeah, start first, and I'll come, dude. This thing's being a little bitch. I can't get it.
Oh, you fixing your dad's car?
Yeah. Dang.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
I'll come when I can.
Alright. Hurry.
Okay. Okay. Alright.
Alright, okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
But anyways, let's go back to what I named her. Her name is Bong Kui Kui. My wife actually helped me came in with it. I actually really like it. It's something really different. Everybody calls their Type R really weird names, but I actually like my name that I named her, Bong Kui Kui. It's really catchy. But yeah, Bong Kui Kui. I really like that name. But yeah, guys, if you guys haven't seen my car in a while, here it is. It's collecting dust. Let me show you guys. It's really, really dirty. Luckily, my wheels aren't that dirty because I haven't really pushed it so hard. But guys, I can't wait to drive her again. I just love walking around it. Don't you guys just walk around your car and just admire it? Oh, it looks so good. I'm just so happy. You guys haven't seen my engine bay. This is how it looks like. This part Yeah, don't look at this part. This part's kind of weird. Don't mind that part. I got bored one day and then I just start messing around with it and it does not look good. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is for now.
Hour later.
Alright guys, so we are all finished. Good thing my buddy Tang, he came through and he pretty much did everything. But we lost a 10 bolt and we lost a 10 socket. It's actually under my car right now and we don't really want to jack it up yet until we finish whatever we gotta do first. Woo! Dude, if it wasn't for him, it wouldn't be done this early. So thank you, Tang. Yeah, I'm so happy. Can't wait now. So we already tested everything. Make sure there's no leak or anything like that. Now we just gotta tune it. After a tune, I want to go get 85, but it's pretty late already. So I think I might just grab it tomorrow. So I'll just continue this video tomorrow. So before I end this video for tomorrow, we're gonna start tuning this car. So it's compatible with E85. Dude, I'm so excited, bro. I can't wait.
Dude, you gotta post this, everybody's gonna know you're fast.
Dude, everybody gotta know I'm fast, bro. You know me? You know what I mean, guys? You guys see me on the road, and y'all pull up next to me. I wanna see what you guys got. Yeah, just kidding. 85, it does make a big difference. With Flash Pro, it did make a big difference. What?
You broke one of them in there.
Yeah. I broke this one, and then there's just this one, and then the one back there.
Oh.
Yeah. Remember I told you I torqued it down too hard.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was like, why is that scored in?
But yeah, E85 should make a lot of difference. That's what all my friends they said. Flash, it did make a good difference, okay, guys. But I want to see how much of a difference I will have with Flex Fuel. But let me show you guys what I did. Well, what my friend did. So here's the Flex, and then we just kind of hit the cores through here, put it in here, and then connect to here, and then we had to take out this part and this part just so we can connect to the radiator down there. And that was pretty much it. So it was pretty easy install. If you have somebody that knows how to install it, I recommend you guys having a buddy that knows how to install it, because it will make your life a lot easier. And if it was just me and saying,
Yeah, we'd be struggling right now.
For
We'd be probably midnight already.
for real, dude, when he came here, he knew how to do everything. He just took everything real quick for us, and then he just popped this, popped that, and then, you know, he did everything. He did a really good job too. So I'm so happy, bro. Thank God I have friends like this.
Yep.
Alright, let's tune it. Alright guys, so I've tuned everything. So I just followed on YouTube how to do it. So it's pretty simple. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber and following other YouTubers, you know. But anyways, that's because we
It works like that.
both don't know how to flash it. So this pretty much, I hope this helps you guys. Well, I'm not really helping you guys, but like I'm just telling you guys that I've been watching other YouTubers, so it helps. But anyways, yeah, so we just gotta wait for our tune to be done, and then I'll update you guys after we are done. It's gonna take a little while, but
Yeah.
it says connection 1 bar. Hey, I'm not done yet. I'm almost done. Okay. But anyways, it's throwing me a lot of codes. Oh shit, don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. But yeah, guys, what did we enable? What did we do?
We
Oh.
enabled a lot of stuff.
So-
Everything that's ethanol and
Yeah,
fuel
yep.
related.
So pretty much 93 with Flex Fuel
Enabled.
enable, and then it takes you to a different site, and then it'll tells you what kind of ethanol. So we did 10% ethanol, stock fuel pump, enabled flex fuel. I think that's pretty much it.
And then we closed it and
They
then
closed it and then
checked if anything was check marked.
yep.
But those all were out about. If you already did a tune and everything, I think it should be all unchecked already.
Yeah, so and now I'm just uploading, so let's hope for the best. I hope my card won't die. Battery's still good, I hope. But anyways, I'll update you guys after I'm done. Let's see how it goes. So you're gonna get a lot of codes, but just keep driving it and you'll be fine. Cause the last video when I did it for installing my Flash Pro, I forgot to tell you guys that you just keep on driving it and then it will just go away. So it should be the same thing with Flex. See, I got a lot of codes showing up. So just pretty much we're gonna just drive around and see how it is. So it's only 8 right now and we just got done. And Zane was just telling me maybe we should just go pump it and test it out. So I think we might just go do that for you guys. See how much of a big difference it is. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna mix it with just 91 and E85. I'm just gonna pump like 2 more gallons and then the rest will be E85. So we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty scared because you never know what's gonna happen, but yeah.
Oh crap. It is going down. Down. Alrighty. I don't know if y'all can read that, but yes. It's going down.
Alright guys, so E85 here we come. Oh, you don't have to
I'm trying to answer phones right now.
So we were pretty much kind of guessing it because I don't have my Honda app yet. So we're gonna see how it performs with. We're thinking we didn't pump enough E in there, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Why'd he do that?
I don't know.
That was weird. I just lost boost.
Huh. No traction? Okay. I mean, kind of feel it. Too much traction. No traction on first. Definitely on first gear, definitely no traction, but you might be able to catch on second and third.
Alright, it is sprinkling a little bit. But
Yeah, it's a little sprinkly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but maybe it might be that cause too, but yep, there we go. Dude, you can feel it, dude. Wow, that was
Damn.
dude, that felt good. That felt very good.
it's a lot of power.
Damn, you tripped second or third, bro. Damn.
And that was
Hell yeah, that was nice. That felt really good, actually. That felt really good.
Hey, it just feels good to be in my car again.
Yeah, it feels pretty good. I think you gained a lot of power. It feels strong. Pulls good. I like it.
Man, that
fast.
really kicks in, y'all.
Yeah, it
Kicks in a lot more now.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, it's a lot different, but dude,
It screams, dude. I'm happy for it, dude. I think it's killer. But
it does pull a lot more. But our question is that like we don't know if we actually put enough E85 in there.
Yeah, we might just
Yeah.
be at like 20%.
Yeah, probably because I kind of pumped just a little bit too much. But it's still good. It's still good. It jumps a lot more. So I might have to go kill all my gas and go pump 91 and 85 because I kind of just mix it all in.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens, but it's still really good.
It's strong.
Yeah, it's a lot stronger now.
It's green pretty hard too.
Yeah, as you guys saw. I don't know why I lost boost. It was weird. I was actually in second gear, and then I stepped on it and just bloop, it just lost boost. And then we did a couple more pulls off camera, and then it was actually fine. But it was really a lot more powerful now, and it's actually really good. And I actually noticed that my tires doesn't catch on, and I'm in second, going to third. That's when my wheels chirp. So that's
New upgrade.
for real. And the turbo screams a lot more now too. Damn, I'm excited. Wow. Woo! Damn, I'm gonna have to take you guys along for the ride too, you know. But that's for another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out.